I just got this new game Rollors in. We're going to check it out, see how it comes, then we'll give it a play. So it comes with this nice easy get off top. Comes in a pretty sturdy case here with a zipper enclosure. Looks like you can carry it around. Open it up. Looks real nice. You have two different goals. With the goals, you'll have the measuring cord. Measuring cord you stick right in on top. You're able to measure out 5 feet or see who's the closest one, who has the closest roller. Let's take a look what else we have in there. We've got our first roller. It's a blue roller. Has a number 1 on one side, number 6 on the other side. Next one's got a 2 and a 5. Next one's got a 3 and a 4. Then we've got some red rollers. We've got the number 4 and the number 3. Number 6 and the number 1. And lastly, we should have a 2 and a 5. You have one more measuring cord for the top of the other goal. And then we have some easy to read instructions. The case is sturdy, looks like it should last. How we're going to play this game is we're going to set up our goals 25 feet apart to start. We're going to have two teams, the red team and the blue team. We're going to take turns alternating throwing. And by throwing, you're going to roll them on the ground. Whoever can get within 5 feet or the closest to the target will score a point. Whichever side lands up is the point you will get. If your disc that's the closest ends on its edge, you get the sum of both sides. So 6 and 1, 5 and 2, and 4 and 3 all equal 7. So you'll get 7 points for that. And if your roller lands up and rests against the goal, you'll get whatever side showing multiplied by 2. So we'll get 12 points. Also, if you have 2 of the closest rollers and the other before the other team's next closest, you'll get both point values that are shown. As you get better in this, you'll want to start moving it out from 25 feet. All tournaments are going to be played at 60 feet, similar to bocce ball and cornhole, some other backyard games. So just keep moving it out as you get comfortable. So now we're going to set it up, and we're pretty excited to see how this plays.